back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Barbie inspired ponytail with a drawstring ponytail, y'all, because yeah, we wanted to make this easy. But so if you want to see how to achieve this hairstyle look, please continue watching. So we're just gonna get right into it. You're gonna need got-to-be spray, some combs that I burned, do not mind it, a brush, bobby pins, blow dryer and flat iron, your ponytail of course, and some rubber bands. So as you can see, I'm just parting my hair. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna part your hair like the bang portion where you want it to be sitting. So I wanted mine to be, swooped over to the left. So I parted that away so that I could just work on the rest of the hair. And then as you can see here, I'm just putting all my hair up into a ponytail. Not actually putting it into a ponytail, but just getting it there so I can spray, as you can see, and brush as I go. So as I'm spraying, I'm blow drying, spraying, blow drying. This is just to make sure that I'm molding my hair into the ponytail.
Paint strip into a golden ball, still spoke, honey spoke with gray on the wall. White skin, big chicks, fellas calling red bone, close cuts, braids long, gangsters love 'em all. They got them southern cooking, they got them fancy looking, wishing I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no.
Alright guys, so this is where I get to my bangs portion. So what I did was I just sectioned what I wanted to be out in the bang, and then working in sections, spraying as I go, and just forming the bang to be swooped along the side of my face. So it's easier said than done. Like, it was definitely like challenging, but as you can see, you just have to play with it really and just get it to the way you want it to be and how you want it to sit on your head. But just make sure that you're spraying as you go. And if it starts to get really hard and you can't spray anymore, just add a little water and it should just make it soft again, or the hair like manageable. That way you can form it to how you want it to be. But at this point, just spraying it all over, making sure that I get everything in place, and then gonna use a bobby pin, of course, to, bobby pin that side right there.
Running back 'cause the song is cool.
Guys, this is just me just fixing it up, making sure that everything is in its place, adding bobby pins wherever needed, and just like fixing everything so that the only thing I have to worry about is the ponytail. So as you can see, we have Synthetica over here. And so I'm adding the ponytail in. The combs there's a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom on mine. So what you would just need to do is about the same thing. Put your hair in a bun or whatever, add the comb to the top and then the comb to the bottom. And then you can see me take the drawstring and slap myself with it. But I'm just applying it, like not applying it, just wrapping it around the hair so that I don't have to worry about it. And then the ponytail is in, period. And then of course you just have to, what's that thing called? You can flat iron it, but as you can see, I burned a piece of the hair, which was not intended. So this Synthetica could not handle enough heat. So what I just did was take as you can see, the flat iron, and just applied only a little pressure and like swooping the hair, but not really applying the flat iron really. That way it wouldn't burn the hair, and it's just adding a little flip that we need. Guys, this is optional, but you guys can add some hair to the drawstring, like in the front, like I did. Grab it from the back, spray it, and wrapping it around, and then securing it with a bobby pin. That way you can't really tell that this is a ponytail. guys. So this is just me doing my edges. This is optional, of course, but I left out a little bit of my edges so I could do them, but it's really easy. Just swooping a little bit.
When I think about you, my feelings can't explain. When I think about you, my feelings.
So much for watching my video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.